NASA and European Space Agency missions are fundamentally large international collaborations. So one of the cool things that I get to do is to work with people from all sorts of different countries around the world. My name is Julia Stawarz. I'm an associate professor and Royal Society University Research Fellow at Northumbria University. So I do research on space plasma physics to understand the interaction between the sun and the Earth that's caused by this kind of gas of charged particles that we call a plasma that is blown off of the sun and interacts with Earth's magnetic field. Part of the reason we care about this is because it has an impact on understanding space weather events. It can kind of impact power grids and cause blackouts, for example. The radiation can have impacts on the satellites that are in space. I always was really interested in space growing up. In high school and stuff, I thought physics was quite cool, so that's kind of what led me to pursue physics in university. I guess my mom pushed me to kind of talk to professors and see if there's any way to get involved in space research. And I was able to really early on, which is kind of unique about my career journey. I was able to start doing research the summer after my first year of undergrad, and during undergrad I published a couple of papers. So I use measurements from spacecraft, so data that we collect from satellites that we send up into space. And these have lots of measurement instruments, probes that are able to measure different properties of the plasma that's around Earth. So this is data from a spacecraft called the Magnetospheric Multiscale mission. So this is 4 spacecraft that are orbiting Earth and measuring the plasma environment around Earth. Plasma, you can think of it like a gas, like the air in this room. The sun itself is a plasma. What you're seeing when you look at a flame, this is a plasma. If you think about the northern lights or aurora, this is all caused by plasma interactions with Earth's magnetic field. We can use our near-Earth plasma environment as a laboratory for trying to understand the fundamental things that are going on in lots of different plasmas throughout the universe. We're going out into nature and actually measuring what the universe is throwing at us. We're really trying to kind of push forward the frontiers of science to expand our basic understanding of physics. This is one of the kind of big endeavors of humankind, is to try to push forward our understanding of the universe. In science in general, collaboration is really important because, we need to be able to exchange ideas with other people. Some of the best work that we can do comes from being able to exchange knowledge from other people and get different perspectives on problems.